Alrighty, mathematicians, we are in Algebra 2. This is section 511, and today we are going to be doing problem 5-12. This is just a simply solve each of the following equations for x. We're going to do letter C. Now, here's the deal. We're looking at letter C, and there's a couple things that we don't like, right? Here's the first one, right? And that is that there are fractions, right? And there's a whole number. That's kind of weird, right? But remember, we can very, very easily get rid of fractions via multiplication. So what we can do is we can multiply the entire equation by a strategic number. Now, we have to think, what is that strategic number? Well, there's a 15 and a 5. We need to cancel both of those. Since both of them end in a 5, it's probably something to end in a 5, right? And this one is, our biggest one is 15. Let's try multiplying by 15. Just see how it works, all right? So if we do this, it's going to look like this. 6 over 15, and I'm going to show you kind of that distributive property, right? So we multiply it into the entire equation. That'd be times 15 equals 2, and then that would be times 15, and then we have minus x over 5, and then times 15. Now remember, technically it's 15 over 1, right? 15 over 1. And so we can think, well, does it cancel things? And absolutely it does, right? That 15 and that 15 cancel. This 15 would become a 3, and that 5 would cancel, right? Because 5 and 1, that would cancel. Anyway, now we can rewrite our equation, and this will look a lot better. So we have 6, because the 15's cancel, equals 30, minus, and then 3 times x is just 3x. Okay, now we can get all the other numbers on one side. So let's start by subtracting 30, and so then we end up with negative 24 equals negative 3x. Don't forget that negative sign right there. It still is there. And then we can divide by negative 3 on both sides. Our final answer then would give us 8 equals x, or x equals 8, the exact same thing.